All right, I know it's not a classic, but once in a while we get a late model vehicle in and represent it, just like our older cars here at Unique, especially in classics. And we'll sell a later model one from time to time. 2022 VW Passat R-Line sedan. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles at just a little under 11,000. I believe it's like 10,965. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior, take a peek at the miles, start it up, look at the engine bay. Like I said, represent it just the way we do in any of our older classics. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And there's probably still some factory warranty left on this, so that may be extendable out past that factory warranty. Again, consult with your sales associate, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. You'll actually see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, riding on the correct VW wheels. 2-liter inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. It's this beautiful kind of a medium red metallic color, and then the dark charcoal leather interior, bucket seats, automatic transmission, of course, and all your modern amenities. Then you're going to get in a late model car, the heated seats, driver's information center, cruise, of course, power seat on the driver's side on this one, windows, locks, mirrors. Take a look at the rear of the car, and you can see the paint shows well. It's what you'd expect with a car that is this new with that low miles. And again, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, clean Carfax. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one yourself, you can sure have somebody come take a peek at it for you if you'd like. But again, being this new with that low miles on it, nothing to hide on this one. Look at the rear seating area. It does have WeatherTech floor mats in there. Muddy Buddies, I believe it is, by WeatherTech. Let's take a look up front here. Mentioned it earlier, of course. Windows, locks, tilt, cruise, all of those. Power mirrors, power driver's seat. Here you can see those Muddy Buddies by WeatherTech. Floor mats, very, very little wear on the seating surface, if any at all. Power sunroof on this one. Of course, steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. There's your exact miles, 10,985. Should take a look at the rest of the interior. Of course, AC is blowing cold. Let's see, heated seats here. Top of the dash looks good. Everything you'd expect again of a low mile car. Go ahead and pop this hood. Sounds legit, you would expect. Alright, I'm going to have to pause this 1 second. Let me get the prop rod up. We'll take a little peek at this engine bay. Underside of the hood. There it is. Again, inline 4-cylinder, 2-liter. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Everything functions as it should. No surprises there for the amount of miles. 2022 VW Passat R-Line. Nice looking sedan. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Just under 11,000 original miles. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2022 Volkswagen Passat. Very much a like-new car. Less than 11,000 miles on this car currently. This is an automatic right on the center console. All the modern amenities. Everything looks brand new, feels brand new. Acceleration is very good. We have a quiet ride. Overhead there is a moonroof. Very responsive steering. As you would expect, it goes perfectly straight if you let go of the wheel. These factory bucket seats are comfortable. Kind of a satin suede look to them. Corners very well. Does not lean much in the corners. Very smooth, comfortable riding, like new Volkswagen. Check out all the pictures and read all about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.